Hey guys, we have friends over, and like I always do, I'm gonna show them the Ring fire alarm, not the smoke detector, but the one from Ring. Give me a few minutes to go upstairs and pull it, and I'll be right back.
Give it to him for the next, right now, we just hit puberty, so this is the time to do it. Because the window's open now. You can't do it now, you can't, you missed it. You know what I mean?
What's that expected height that he's going to be questioning? Did he know that he's going to do this?
Yeah. Well, I told him, because I don't want him to, he's already starting to hear it, like, kids in his classroom, maybe, so, and that's hurtful. That's hurtful. And then, too, it comes down to like, for instance, my brother John, he banged girls from like different walks of life at the club. You know what I mean? Like, he's 6 years old as God. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not the one for that pussy. I spent hours and shit. So go, you know what I mean? I'm telling you. Yeah. You know what I mean? But then I can't put the kid through that. I said, you know what I mean? Right? Right? Yeah. But you gotta get, like, I don't like hitting everybody up, like, go home with some grenades and shit at the end of the night. That's it. I'm not working for that shit. So that's what happened. And then, like, when I was like 13 and I was doing college, pre-college, ice hockey, I get my ass fucking beat. Like, for these kids are like 14 years old, they're already 5'10".
Yeah. Girls love guys back then.
What? Yeah, I mean, but still, you're walking around broken nose, missing teeth in your mouth, you know what I mean? You're all fucked up because you can't handle it because guys are like huge. There you go.
You spend a lot of time here, down here too?
Yeah, it's a little messy down here, but
That's it. Goodbye.